So this patient, she had come to us from the US. She had come after recommendation from her husband, who had also got a smile designing done with us. We had done her initial consult while her husband was here, and then we obviously made an entire plan for her. So now she has existing crowns. Like you all can see, these are all of her existing crowns which were done for her a while back. All of these are crowns. Now you can see that there's a lot of gum show and the teeth are very, very tiny in proportion to her face. Also, the quality of these crowns is very opaque, which makes it look very unnatural, and it stands out quite a lot. Along with this, there were open margins and some decay which had occurred, because of which she wanted to change her crowns. So these crowns were done only on her top teeth. If I show you the bottom teeth, we will realize how much wear and tear had occurred. So even her bottom teeth are completely worn out. They're looking very, very tiny. And all of these bottom teeth, there's a lot of wear and tear. If you see, the edges are all flat. These have become tables rather than edges. And the teeth, overall top teeth, are very, very tiny. So first things first is basically getting the teeth to the proportion that we want them to be, and that can be done only with involving the gums. In her case, we had to increase the tooth height by reducing the gum levels, top as well as bottom. So we've done that. We have then removed her old crowns and restored them with newer zirconia crowns, which were extremely strong. They were of the shape that she wanted, and obviously they are a lot more natural looking than what is happening over here. So let's come to how her before and after is looking. So this is the before and after. Coming from the US, patients usually want a brighter smile. They want something that is a little bit more, brighter than we would give our Indian patients, but it was looking really nice on her face, and this is something that she could carry off. So you see the before and the after. The gum levels everywhere have been increased. If you see over here, the gum levels have been increased in the before as well as the after. These are the gum levels. The bottom ones also are looking much taller than they were before. And overall, the teeth are looking a lot more harmonious. This is her before and after smile, and like I said, this is something that she was extremely comfortable with and extremely confident flaunting. So we have done away with older dentistry, given her newer dentistry, which is now going to last for the next 20-30 years, and it is something that she is happy with, and she is happy flaunting.